Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to delete the Windows.old folder on Windows 10 21H1 update to free up disk space. If you recently upgraded to a new version of Windows 10, you can use this guide to flush the Windows.old folder that's just wasting space on your device. When you try to delete this folder, you will need to provide administrative permissions. The easiest method to delete the Windows.old folder from your device is to use Windows Settings app. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Storage in left pane. Click on Show More Categories. Select Temporary Files category. Check the previous Windows installations option and clear the default selected options. If you only want to remove the Windows.old folder to free up space, click the Remove Files button. After completing the steps, the folder with the previous installation of Windows 10 will be removed. Windows.old folder and freeing up storage space on your primary hard drive. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel, and please share if you like the video.